Before ako fling-fling talaga, fling lang talaga gusto ko. Yung mga naka-relationship ko before, dalawa lang naman sila, yung mga naka-relationship ko before, ano sila parang we started as flings, right? And then yeah, so yung first ko naging jowa, he was just one of my flings, right? Up to the yeah, pero siguro I had 3 or 4 people that I was having flings with during that time, right? And then up to the point wherein itong naging jowa ko na 'to is someone that I parang wait, iba na yata iba na yata kay ano, dito kay person na ito. So, um, I gave in terms of having relationship with this person. And sa ano rin kasi kami, sa Fitness First din kasi kami nag-ano, naggi-gym together. So, why not kami na lang, hindi ba? So, yun. Ibig sabihin, ang landi meter ko is talagang lagpas 10 before. Out of 10, lagpas 10. Because I was really enjoying my singlehood. I would have flings with uh, people that I can get that kind of situationship with before, gano'n.